This is a 12.8 volt 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery from SOK Battery. In the box you got your battery, some terminal screws, these cool caps, just slide them on, nice, and the user guide. Taking a look at the battery itself, it's a metal box. It's kind of the SOK's signature casing. Looks really nice. It's not much going on. It's a black box. App connection. This is what the app looks like. Got some useful information. Nice. Now let's do a capacity test. Alright, so we ran a capacity test using the capacity tester, and we ended up with 103.13 amp hours, which is a solid pass for the SOK battery. Let's give it a charge and throw it in the freezer. Yeah. So giving the battery a little bit of charge before I put it in the freezer to test the low temp protection and the heating function once I take it out. Alright, so we got a little charge on the battery. Now let's put it in the freezer. Like that. And let it freeze up. And it's pretty frozen. Right, show you the app. It shows about minus 15 degrees Celsius. We are going to add a charge and see if we can activate the heater pads. So as you can see on the app, the battery has gone into a protective state, low temp protection. So low temp protection is a pass, and you can also see that the heater is activated. No current is going into the cells. It's diverted to the heater pads inside. You can see the temperature is rising. Let's open it up and take a look inside. Should be pretty straightforward. Metal box with screws all around. Alright, so we got the screws out. 10 screws. It popped up right there. Take a sneak peek inside. That is one massive BMS for a 12 volt battery. Look at that heatsink. Bolt is mounted to the terminals. Put them out, put the lid off. The build quality on this thing is some of the best I've ever seen. Got this massive BMS temperature sensor right here. It's actually mounted to the casing. Other temp sensor right here. Bolted terminals. Everything looks really nice. The reddish stuff in between there is the heating pads, which we know is working. So yeah, I don't think I'll be taking apart the entire thing. You've seen everything we needed to see. Now let's put it back together and do a simple load test to check the overcurrent protection. Using an inverter, a clamp meter, and a cooktop, we are going to test the overcurrent protection. Set the clamp meter to DC amp reading. Let's turn cooktop on. 70 amps. The other one on. 155 amps. Let's see if it cuts off. Well, we need more loads. Let's try it again using the cooktop and a heat gun. Cooktop first. 153 amps. Almost 200 amps. And it cut off. So 194 amps and the overcurrent protection kicked in. So all in all, a powerhouse of a battery. Passed every test. I do, however, think that the overcurrent protection is set a bit high, but I'm pretty impressed. Great build quality. It looks good. Yeah, I'll leave affiliate links in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.